Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at one win token airdrop eligibility conditions, the Web2 conditions. So we are going to look at the latest updates concerning the Web2 airdrop condition. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share. And also join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for high-value content. So we are going to look at what they have to say based on people's concern about the Web2 airdrop eligibility condition. Now, let's see the first point. They said one win token Web2 reward frequently asked question. We have seen a lot of questions and feedback about Web2 rewards, and we want to keep everything clear and transparent. Did you hear that? Here are answers to the most frequently asked questions. It is getting interested. And if you have not started mining one win token, link in the video description. Now, the first question said, do Web2 points affect airdrop eligibility and size? This is what they answered. Yes, the number of Web2 points directly impacts the size of your airdrop. So right now you have known it that your airdrop Web2 point affects the eligibility and airdrop size. Now the second question says, is the airdrop based only on Web2 points? The answer is no. Web2 points are just one of the key factors. There are other important criteria as well. So the airdrop does not base only on the Web2 points. Let's go down. Now the third question is, if I have 0 Web2 points, will I still get an airdrop? They answered, if you have met the participation requirement, yes, it is possible. If you have met the participation requirement, yes, it is possible. Also, one of the conditions includes access to Lucky Drive rewards. So, eligible user will likely have more than 0 points. Did you see that? Now, the next question is, how much do Web2 points influence the airdrop amount? A lot. They answered a lot, but again, they are not the only factor. So Web2 points are not the only factor for the airdrop claim. Now the next point say, are new Web2 points critical? They answered yes. The more points you earn, the bigger your share will be. We all know it, that the more you do your task to earn more points, the bigger your airdrop. Now the next question says, can someone with high profit but low Web2 points get a smaller drop than someone with lower profit but higher Web2 points? The answer is yes. Both factors matters. Did you see that? The next question said, will I get nothing if I don't meet all the requirements? Correct. You must meet the eligibility conditions to qualify for the airdrop. You must meet the eligibility condition for you to qualify for the airdrop. The next question says, will there be multiple airdrop stages or just one? They say TBE. I don't know the meaning of TBA, sorry. Now they said, what about other activity and past deposits before Web2 launched? We will be crediting Web2 points for all deposits made since you linked your OneWin account. Rewards for past activity will be distributed gradually once we are confident in the stability of the OneWin Web2 system. Now the next question says, will deposit from old referrals be counted? They said referrals made before still count for eligibility. There are a lot of questions they answered. Now they say, what's more important now, hourly profit or Web2 points? Everything matters. That is what they answer. This is a competition. The better your metrics, the bigger your share. Now the next question says, are airdrops, are deposits and referral required for the airdrop? Can I join if I have no referrals? They said yes, you can join. but both are required. To qualify for the airdrop, you need at least 1 deposit to unlock lucky drive rewards and 5 referred friends. Now the last but not the least, can I earn Web2 points without depositing money? Absolutely, you can invite friends to encourage them to join the airdrop. You will also earn Web2 points through play game and upcoming events like the 1 week leagues. We are committed to keep things transparent for our community. More guides and updates are coming soon. Stay tuned. So these are the questions people have asked concerning the Web2 airdrop eligibility conditions. So the Web2 airdrop eligibility condition, you see it here, tap on it. I've made a video on that. So these are the conditions to lock access to the airdrop. You have to set up a passive income at least 500k. You boast your city population at least 500. You invite your friends, at least 5 friends, and you unlock lucky drive rewards. Then you connect your Ton wallet. So these are the conditions. They said everything matters. So if you want to qualify for this airdrop, you must meet the eligibility condition based on what they said. You heard it from the horse's mouth that all points matters, everything, every criteria matters. So that is it for this video. Go right now and do what you're supposed to do to qualify for this airdrop. And if you're here to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and share, and don't forget that I'm currently buying and selling USDT stones, Solana plus all gas fee. If you want to patronize me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp, and that means then I will reply instantly. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video.